So a lot bigger than the 225, that's for sure. Physically, a lot taller. Still got to redo the whole dash plate, but we've got some new gauges here. Shows gallon per hour and whatnot. Everything is in there in these two gauges. We've got a new drive-by-wire control here. You have to be real sensitive with this. When you put it forward into gear, back or forwards, you just got to click it into gear and wait for it to go into gear. It's all electronically controlled now. So this is after 1 hour of puttering around under 2,000. Now we can bring it up to plane speed, but no more than plane speed. So you get to hear how this V8 sounds. Here we are, 4,100 RPM, an indicated 52 kilometers an hour and 13.6 gallons per hour. This thing's a monster. It's the acceleration is incredible when you're even at this RPM, but even when you go down to 3,500 RPM, anything above 3,300 is really quiet. 3,300, we're doing about 9 gallons per hour and 39 kilometers an hour, 38 kilometers an hour. But listen to this when we open it up to 5,300. just a freaking monster. Here's 5,200 RPM and we're going almost 70 kilometers an hour. 24 gallons per hour. Look how fast we're going. That's crazy. Alright, here we are. 3,900 RPM, 12 gallons per hour, and it indicated 49 kilometers, 49.8 kilometers an hour. That's about what we were doing on the old motor, I believe, you know, pretty much flat out, and this thing is just idling along here. Idles at 600. As you can tell, it's pretty darn quiet. Very nice. We'll see how it holds up and all that, and how it runs, but so far, extremely impressed. Look at how big this thing is. Look at that, the blade's bigger than my hand practically.